In this demo, we'll show you how to set up mobile cloud phones to manage multiple YouTube accounts with ease. Let's get started. Welcome to your Multilogin dashboard. This is your main workspace. We offer browser profiles and Android cloud phones. Use cloud phones to manage YouTube accounts without physical devices. Click the Create button. Give your phones a name and choose the quantity. Each phone is a separate device. This keeps your YouTube accounts unlinked from each other. Select your use case to attach a platform icon for easy identification. Then, add tags and notes. Setting up proxies is a key part of creating mobile profiles. Proxies let you connect from any location. With Multilogin, you do not need any extra tools. Built-in proxies are included in every plan. Pick from over 150 locations. This lets you manage accounts as if you were in that city. Use local IPs to reach your audience. Use one device for each account. Pick a brand from our list of 12 options. Click Create to save your phone. Your device is ready. Let's launch it. You will see an Android screen. Use your mouse to navigate like a real phone. The sidebar has fast tools for you. You can rotate the screen or upload files. See more in the extra menu. Just like on a real Android device, you can install apps using the curated marketplace or APK files. Open the Apps section. Use Search to find the YouTube mobile app, then click Install to download it. Once it is installed, you will find it in the Home menu. After that, you can open it. You are all set. Log into YouTube to manage video content and to like and comment on videos. Get the comprehensive solution for managing YouTube accounts with cloud phones today. Check the link in the description to learn more about Multilogin.